I'm losing it, dude.
That, or is it?
No.
It seems like you're okay.
Is it the mesh or is it the seat? No, put our dry bags. Give our dry bag to Brandy. Give all the dry bags to Brandy.
What dry bag? This one?
Dry bags. Get the bags.
Here.
Nick, don't get that in the water. It has stuff in it. Oh, good.
Don't go anymore. I'm trying not to move.
What the Nikki, we're so right. I'm sorry, Nick. Always listening, Nick.
Here. He catch these? Can we stand?
Oh, Brian, I'll help.
I'm standing right now.
Aren't y'all happy I brought those single floats now?
Yes. We need to like this.
Help.
Chug it.
Hold on. Wait, we have a shoe.
Did we lose a Croc?
There's another shoe in the...
Oh, we need to get Crocs. Oh my God, I'm too short for this.
Hey, get Brandy over here.
You want me to hand this to Brandy? What do you want me to hand to Brandy?
Brian's got another crock. If we were crockless, that'd be a problem.
Oh, no.
Brandy, help.
Oh, no.
Oh, God.
No, let Brandy have it.
Guys, I'm too short.
Brandy, Leah's drowning. Leah's drowning. Help. Stop. Up.
I can't stand.
I can't.
I can't grab your hook. I can't stand. Help.
Okay, hop on.
No, I'm just gonna hold on. Because I gotta GoPro this. If I'm gonna die, I'm gonna get it on GoPro.
All right, Ansley, why are you in the water? Ansley, why did you get in the water? It's not the time.
Devin, because I'm gonna drop it.
I'm not the daddy's here.
I know, but you can hand it to me.
I'm gonna make my way to the other float.
Okay. I love that I grabbed your hair to save you. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Oliver, go to the 4-person float so I can get in there. Ow, there's rocks! There's a rock! What the is happening? Hold on, it's stopping us! All right, everybody stop! I am standing on a rock! I'm holding everybody! Get on floats! Before I move! Nick and Brian! Nick and Brian!
You're fine, my love.
Where's the wet pad?
I've stopped everything! But this is really hard!
Do you want to go pray or hold you or?
No, I have to GoPro everything!
I am coming.
No, don't get off, Devin!
Don't get off. Stay
Devin,
on.
seriously,
Oh,
Devin, I need to
Steven,
sit down
it's
right
okay.
now.
We're fine.
Jason, I've got this whole thing stopped so you can get on a float. Brian, I can't keep holding this.
I am literally.
Jason, I can't keep holding these floats. I'm gonna die.
I did too.
I'll help you. You have enough strength.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Look at me. I just peed.
Oliver, we have to pull. Do you say you just peed? Oh, Brandy, it's so warm right there.
That was a mixture of Brandy and I.
I'm just trying to get to that blue float. No, don't push it. I'm trying to hold it still.
Stay.
So your dad can do stuff.
Hold it so we can get the drone and the controller put away, and then we can all.
What? I'm holding everybody on a rock.
I got you.
The boats are sinking. Steven's freaking out. Guys, the only thing we're worried
just sit
about
here in
right
the
now,
corner
the only
like I've
thing
been
we're worried about is the drone. We're not worried about anybody. Everybody else is
Everybody's
safe.
safe.
Everybody's safe.
Everybody's safe.
Oh, the only thing that's
We're
not
safe from the drone.
the difference between your kids.
I wasn't safe for a little bit.
I know, but I
You get all that, right?
Huh?
You get all that?
I've been recording for like 8 minutes. Yeah, look. 8 minutes and 45
Oh my
seconds.
God.
But I grabbed your hair. That was going to be your
I mean, hold on to my hair.
I'm glad
to
your
keep
dad
me
let
from drowning.
I was like, as long as I keep her head above water.
So all I'm picturing is, you know how like
That first.
The office. This is happening. This is real. Nobody missed.
This is real.
You know what? I'm glad the drone didn't go in the air. Imagine that going. What would it have done?
But you could have recorded all of us dying.
So are you flying the drone or not flying?
Damn, Brian, I was
Not
gonna
right
take
now.
that.
I gotta do it.
You're okay. It's okay. I'll take a kitty one.
It's shut off in here. Hey, hold on.
Oh, that was insane. It was so.
So I shouldn't leave the Walmart review?
When you post the review, post this video with it.
I'm sorry, I didn't have any wood on me.
So. Once you
Dying
said
over
we were
here,
taking the
Dan's just
water,
taking a
from
nap.
the time we sunk, that was quick.
I told you guys.
No.
like this. We're taking in water. He had his hand on it.
I'm glad I didn't take it up
We
the
got
air.
cocky.
Right? Daniel didn't
He
die.
got cocky.
Remember that bad omen?
Is it a full beer or not?
Brian's like, I don't even want to.
Okay, you can only touch the ground because there's a big giant rock here. A second ago, it was too deep for me to stand in.
Thanks
So
for
don't
everybody
go far.
trying to save the drone though, because that was rough.
Well, the way we were all screaming, I think it really freaked the kids out. The kids were all like, are we about to die?
Our kids are never going to do Wait. So meanwhile, me and Devin are like, oh, can we help? Steve's like, ah! And then Lynn's just like, I'm playing with my rocks. Don't talk.
Lynn almost lost her mommy, and she's just like, just leave me alone.
And she's like, and like a pee. Did I ask?
Yeah, I need to take a
Lynn, I think Oscar's peeing next. Why is everyone peeing on me today?
He just laughed like
It's like you can't keep it inside.
Amanda and Brandy peed on me. Now these boys, oh God, it's so warm!